Good morning, kabayan! Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Located in Imus, Cavite, in an exclusive subdivision along Aguinaldo Highway, near SM Hypermarket, Robinsons Imus, and City Mall Anabu. This is our living and dining area, our kitchen area, with built-in cabinets, on the ground floor, we have the maid's room, with shared toilet and bath, with a lot area of 150 square meter and total developed area of 197.5 square meter. At the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. And this is the bedroom number 1 with built-in cabinets and vanity area and shared toilet and bath. This is our bedroom number 2 with built-in cabinets and also vanity area. And this is our master's bedroom. With built-in cabinets and vanity area as well. Ito ay may door access papuntang balcony. And this is our master's toilet and bath. This house is available via cash, bank, and in-house financing. The reservation fee is 100,000 pesos. Ito naman po ang door access papuntang Lanai area. At service area with free 700 liters water tank. And this is our carport na kasya ang 2 sasakyan with provision for internet and cable. For more info, contact this Facebook page or this number. Thank you.